everyone, welcome to our video.
In this video, we will show you how to make
Pop ice. First, we prepare the ingredients first, namely a box of pop ice, pack of ice cube, 1 can of condensed milk, enough water, and granulated sugar.
Then the tools: blender, scissors, a cup, and a straw.
First, put the ice cubes into the cup along with water until it's full. Then pour it into the blender. Then, cut the pop ice wrapper and put it in the blender along with the sugar. Then, blend until all ingredients are mixed.
Lastly, pour the finished pop ice into a cup. Then add milk and put a straw. Then enjoy pop ice
Pop ice with your friends.
What? It's my mind. Oh. Why my pop ice?
Everyone,
Welcome to
our Hello everyone. A pack of ice.